All right, y'all. So as always, we are back with a very bullish Toshi video. But before we get into the Toshi news, I do want to announce to those of you who are in my private network and my inner circle before, it is now finally back. You all have been emailed your promo codes. I told you all you were getting a special deal and things like that. So that has been honored. It is in your email. So go and check that out. You all are welcome to jump back in. So far I've released a lot. It's completely revamped to what it was before. So it's actually going to be night and day what it was last time you all were there. So if you know what it was, it's completely different. If you don't, you can click the link down below and actually go check it out. Something cool that's been added is I'm not just showing you all the investment things and everything that I do in terms of investment. I also show you all my life, my spiritual journey. I'm also teaching you all how to make more active and passive income at the same time. I showed you all exactly how I made, I showed you all me making $800 in 16 minutes and things like that. So I'm going through, I'm starting to add content to show you all what's possible and teach you all exactly how to do it. So if you want to start different streams of revenue, different streams of income, learn how to make passive income and doing the things that I know how to do, that's some of the stuff that I'm also gonna be showing there now as well. So just wanted to get that quick plug out of the way, get that quick announcement out of the way, just so you all know that, yeah, I've really been working on things. I've really been focusing on the information and the direction that I wanted to take everything in, because this bull run is about to be crazy. People don't know what's coming. People don't understand what's coming. And I actually break down my entire thesis about everything. Like I wrote, what's like 4,000 word, like listen, it gets crazy. Once you get to the highest tier, it gets crazy. I wrote like a 4,000 word little essay document explaining everything that I'm seeing, which crypto projects is connected, how these crypto projects are gonna explode, why they're gonna explode, what role they play in the overall system being created based on what Trump is doing. Like it gets crazy. I'm going very detailed into what's happening, what I see, and why I'm making the moves that I'm making, because this is not just I need Toshi to pump so hard because I'm desperate. Like, no, I see a lot of different plays that's going to do very, very well. And I'm breaking down all opportunities for investments. I also go over things when it comes down to health. I go health and wellness, active income, passive income, spirituality, a lot of different stuff there. It's a network, it's a whole inner circle of people who want to grow and build together and, you know, take things to the next level. So anyway, that being said, let's actually jump into the Toshi news. So yeah, here we have it. Toshi is actually seeing a little bit of a green day. You know, we don't like to see those around here. I would actually prefer if we get a little bit more, red for a little bit, and I can continue to stack more Toshi, because yeah, I'm interested in buying another 10 million Toshi. I'm gonna be honest with you. Like I'm looking at, I want to get another 10 million Toshi. I'm not gonna lie to you, but I mean, we'll see what happens. We'll see if the market gives us that opportunity. If it does not, that's perfectly fine too. I am more than happy with my current bag. But yeah, anyway, let's jump into what's actually happening right now in the market. So as you can see, Floyd said, friendly reminder that Toshi is the only meme coin officially partnered with Coinbase with official marketing. Check the app. I'd say it's the leveraged bet on the entire blue chain ecosystem. So as you can see, Toshi has the official partnership here, and that is absolutely massive. There's nobody else doing that, and it shows you all the level of importance that Toshi has when it comes to Coinbase. Also, if we've been seeing the entire year, HTX, we've been seeing Binance US, we've been seeing all types of exchanges, these high-level, high-quality, high-tier exchanges cracking, like they've been all using Toshi a lot, like even OpenSea, like here, like OpenSea has been using Toshi a lot to market itself as well. So every company that gets affiliated with Toshi tends to use it as a marketing tool. And it's because they see the value. They see the value, they know the worth, and that's what they look for. Like companies, if you know what you're doing in this space, you're going to look for value. You don't necessarily look for current market cap and current levels and things like that. You look for value and what's going to be valuable in the future and why. That's the key to investing and doing it properly. So this is why these companies are investing in themselves and aligning very, very closely to Toshi, because like, and that's what I think is also important. The fact that Toshi is getting all these deals and companies and partnerships and stuff like that, it's a reason that these companies keep choosing Toshi. And you have to think that these $1 billion companies are not sitting here thinking about things in the way that you're thinking about them. Like, oh, I invested my last $1,000. If I lose it, I get cooked, blah, blah, blah. Like all that fear-based stuff. Look at it from the perspective of a $1 billion company. What does Toshi have to offer that $1 billion company? So if a $1 billion company is working with Toshi, and you know, like what does that $1 billion company have to see in Toshi to even waste its time being aligned, being the only partner, things like that? What role does Toshi play in this $1 billion company that's making them make that type of decision? So just really being able to understand the fact that Toshi is able to close these deals and take advantage of these opportunities is a big deal, and it signals a lot in and of itself, because they're not thinking like a retail investor. These businesses are thinking next level. So why would they all be thinking next level and all be partnering with Toshi? That tells you, in a sense, the signs right now that everybody believes Toshi is next level. So yeah, that's just a, you know, fresh out of the gate with it. Check it out. Toshi Fresh wallets are rebuilding positions. On-chain data shows a clear pickup in fresh accumulation across the last few days. A total of 17 fresh wallets, including new joiners and earlier accumulators who continue to hold, have now withdrawn 59 billion Toshi. That's $23 million from Coinbase. So they've taken $23 million off of Coinbase and they've put it into cold storage. Over 49 billion Toshi was withdrawn in a single spike, cutting exchange balance by 39%. Price and buy volume reacted instantly at that moment, confirming real demand. So yeah, that is absolutely huge. Is Toshi gearing up for its next catalyst? Remember, a potential Binance listing has been one of the most anticipated triggers in the community. Toshi is showing the early footprints again. Keep watching. So people are speculating that Binance is coming. So as you can see, with, I guess this is the withdrawals they have here, withdrawal. So people have been taking their stuff off of Coinbase and just holding it, keeping it safe, keeping it, playing it close to the chest. And that's what you do with something of value. You store it somewhere where you can keep it safe. That's what you do with the things that you hold of value. So yeah, a lot is being withdrawn from the ecosystem right now, and from exchanges, and that's a very, very bullish sign. It shows you that whales are willing to hold Toshi. They believe that it's worth holding, it's valuable, and they want to, you know, keep it close to the chest. So that's a huge deal. The fact that much Toshi is being taken off of Coinbase and stored somewhere else. So yeah. Every good chain has its moment, and some are still waiting for theirs. Toshi is sitting on a chain that has yet to have its season. And I want to put this into perspective for you all, because this message right here is key. This is why I love fundamentals, because you can break this down in a common sense way that everyone can understand. Every chain, when it comes out, it has something that blows up and puts that chain on the map. Ethereum has something, Solana has something, AVAX, like any chain you can think of has had some meme that's really done very well, that's done very, very good. Except for Base. Base hasn't really had that yet. Base hasn't had its season. To be fair, AVAX hasn't had its real season yet either, like, or if it's even going to get one. AVAX is more speculative, but in terms of the biggest ones, you know, they all have their seasons, and some coin spearheads it all and dominates. Base has not had that yet. The only thing really well positioned for that is Toshi. And the fact that we haven't even had a real Base season, and the biggest catalyst that could possibly exist for Base chain just happened, JP Morgan. JP Morgan coming onto Base chain, like, let's really think this through, because we know that $1 billion company or $1 trillion, like, these guys are not, they're not gambling out here. They're not just in a casino with where they're choosing to build their infrastructure. When JP Morgan chose Base, it meant something. JP Morgan is one of the crucial pillars of our entire financial system. The entire financial system, JP Morgan is one of the pillars of that. The entire like, let that really sink in and register. The entire financial system, JP Morgan is one of the pillars of that. They chose Base. They're positioning around Base. The United States government, Congress, everybody, Trump, they're centering things around Coinbase and Base. The fact that everyone is choosing base and we have yet to have a base season, and during the season of these layer twos, something always blows up. These chains, something always blows up. Something always blows up, and we've yet to have that on base yet. TOSHI has more catalysts than any other meme coin ever has. Dogecoin didn't have this big of a reason to blow up. Dogecoin, Pepe, Shiba, nothing has had a big of a reason to blow up, or nothing has had a more significant positioning than TOSHI currently does. Nothing. And you can argue that, oh, well, anything on base has these same attributes. I mean, anything on base, it could be, you could apply this stuff to anything on base, but everything doesn't have the history, it doesn't have the positioning. It's a lot of things that TOSHI has that everything else doesn't have. Like TOSHI is the #1 project on base chain. No manipulation, no cabal. It's listed on Coinbase. Coinbase is partnered with it officially. There's nothing else with that same positioning. Nothing else. Like in terms of who is the face of base, is undisputably TOSHI. So because nothing else has that positioning, you kind of have to respect it. You gotta respect the position that TOSHI is in right now. And if you're looking at market cap and you're not understanding how the entire game plays and everything flows together and work together, like you could be nervous, you could be scared, you could be worried about a lot of stuff that's pointless to worry about. But if you're actually looking at the facts, you're looking at the information, you realize just how bullish of a situation is really going on right now. You realize just how bullish of a situation is going on right now. So yeah, there's a lot of fear, uncertainty, and doubt in the market right now, but that tends to happen. That is going to be what happens. Honestly, that's one of the key indicators and signals that we're looking for. Like when people start to say that it's a bear market, understand that the loudest voices saying that this is a bear market is the uneducated. People who believe that it's a bear market, they're the people who aren't watching what's going on. They don't understand what's happening right now. And it's not hard to understand what's happening right now, but it's just, it takes you putting in work, putting in effort, and looking at a lot of different things. What people are doing, they're looking at their portfolios, seeing what's down, and oh, I'm not making money right now. It looks like it's heading into a bear market. That's as critical as people are doing. Or they're listening to some other YouTubers say something, and then they're just following what someone says. Over here, this is why we focus on following the evidence, following what's truly happening, following what's going on, and actually understanding where the entire world is and where this financial system is and the government's goals with the financial system. It's about understanding the game. It's not about coming to Cavell because Cavell is going to tell you exactly what to do. No, Cavell is going to show you how to see the things that you need to be seeing and come to your own conclusion. That's all that I do. I'm not sitting here telling you all to see things my way. I'm sitting here, I tell you all how I see things, but really all I'm doing is giving you all the information and giving you my take on the information. At the end of the day, the important part is that you get the information, because there's a lot of people who don't know some of these things is going on. A lot of people who don't see the big picture because they're not getting this information in front of them because they're so busy focused on market caps. So that's why it's important that you do more than just focus on a market cap and you actually learn the game. You don't want to be out here being ignorant trying to invest. That's the worst position to be in, 100%. So check it out. No way you don't see it on, oh, actually, did we finish going over that? Yeah, I believe Base has so much potential to become way bigger than it already is. When that season finally arrives, early conviction will pay off. Yeah, like, that's basically, Base is going to get bigger. We already know all that. So yeah, that was all we needed to see there. No way you don't see it on the TOSHI chart. For a long time, I've been trading mostly from these levels. It's the easiest and most confident way to point. Look at the TOSHI perfect support level with a few proofs of bull's power. Also keep in mind that TOSHI is super close to becoming the top 1 meme on base. TOSHI is already the top 1 meme on base. So yeah, and this was posted on the 25th. So this was posted just yesterday. Yeah, my man's tripping. TOSHI is already the top meme on base, gang. Like that's how that works. So here we have it. Every time TOSHI's at this level, we see it rise. At this level, it rises. At this level, now it's time for the rise again. And this one, if during this rise, the entire market goes parabolic during this rise, we already know that this is most likely to be the most historic rise we have ever seen for TOSHI, and the most historic rise we have ever seen in the market, for the market at all in general. So yeah, very, very big deal. All the things that's happening right now. Next. Toshi's volume is absolutely wonderful. 4.2 million plus in USD volume on micro cap like this is wild. The little retest of the breakout zone around 0.039, then 40, an immediate bounce equals textbook strength. The fact it's holding above breakout with shrinking sell pressure and those higher lows forming, chef's kiss. If it can clear 4.2 today's high and turn it into support, the next leg could be spicy. 5 plus is very much in play if the meme momentum stays hot. Feels like Toshi is waking up. Beautiful indeed. So as you can see, the traders, the stats, the people looking at the charts, they're seeing how the charts is even saying that we're getting ready to ramp up and it's getting ready to do something very, very positive. Now, technical analysis, I'll be honest, technical analysis this year has not been the greatest. I don't think that it's been very informative on as far as what things are actually going to do and been very accurate about what's actually going to go on. I've been seeing a lot of technical analysis, and while it is true in terms of short-term moves, if you're not a trader, none of the stuff because I feel like the majority of us, we're investing. What we're looking for is the big explosion, the life-changing pumps and stuff like that. So seeing all this, what's happening day to day and things like that, it's not too huge of a deal for the majority of people here. So I don't think technical analysis has really been all that helpful this bull run so far, truthfully. I mean, as far as knowing what direction we're going in overall, that's cool, but fundamentals can really tell you a lot of that. So yeah, it hasn't been too crazy, but yeah, let me know what you all think in the comment section down below. Then check it out. Toshi, 1 week, let's get things clear. We have formed a global triangle, and touching its sides is technically important. We go up and down, forming higher lows. We grow on the chart. I marked subsequent movement, the buy and sell zones, and also marked the support and resistance zones that will help form the movement. Toshi is in demand, popular, has an excellent team, has liquidity, and has a high quality technical base. This is the top choice for purchase. So check it out. As you can see, he's been, doing all of this. He's been doing all of this right here. All the technical analysis, charting where he believes that this is going to go. He thinks that we can go down to these levels, which I don't know if we've hit these levels yet or not. Let me see. When was this posted? On the 25th? This was posted yesterday. So we've probably not hit all of these levels or anything yet, but we'll see. I think we actually moved up into this zone, but there's always a possibility that we can move back down into this zone before the official move up. So it really comes down to how the market is moving and how the market is going to be behaving. But what he sees is that we're being pulled up into this zone right here. That's the safe bet that he's making. And my bet is that if we get up this far and the entire market really goes parabolic, that is when we're going to see some crazy madness shoot and blow right past all of this right here. I think we go past all-time high. Like at the point where the bull market goes on, I believe that we're going to really go like blast off past all-time high. And I believe that is coming. It is definitely coming. I don't know the timeline. I don't know exactly when, but when they let the markets rip, which they will, things is gonna get crazy. It's gonna get crazier than a lot of people may realize. But there we have it, y'all. Just wanted to give you all a little bit of information and perspective on what everybody's saying, how everybody's feeling right now. Let me know what you all think. Be sure to drop that thumbs up, subscribe, and turn on notifications, and I will catch you all on the next one. Peace out, y'all.